Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set country-based price lists in Odoo. So to set up country-based price lists in this platform, you configure a price list so that customers automatically see different prices depending on their country. It's useful for international stores, VAT differences, and regional pricing. So actually guys, that's first you all need to enable the price lists. Alright, so all you need to do is to go to the sales right here and then go with configuration at the top here and go with the settings first option, and here you all need to go with the pricing option and go with the price list. So you'll need to enable it, and once finished, go and save the changes. Okay, so then you all need to create the country-based price lists. So you all need to go back to the sales and products, then option here, and then go with price lists. Now just go with new, and here guys you all need to create price lists per region. So for example, you can go with Europe price, USA prices, Moroccan prices, etc. So for example, you can just go and type here Europe prices. Okay, so, for example, when we are talking about the Europe prices, you are talking about France, Germany, Spain, Italy, etc. Right? So you will need to go with the euro, right? So it's better to work with Europe. If you want to work with USA, so you can go with the United States, Canada, so you can go with the dollar. If you want to work with Morocco, for example, you will need to go with the MAD. And once created, you will need to go back from here and then go to the website. Okay, so now you all need to go to configuration and then settings, and now guys you all need to the e-commerce section here, and then enable that option price list to it too. Okay, so this is the price list on the website, and it's given automatic price list selection. All right, so now Odoo will detect customer country and apply correct pricing automatically. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.